Introduce features highlight for Delaney hardware, 301779, matte black, Z-Wave, Smart Touchpad, US19, Deadbolt lock. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Features highlight or overview summary are include. Delaney Hardware's new ZW300 touchscreen smart lock offers homeowners increased security, convenience, and comfort. The Delaney Z-Wave Smart Lock, ZW300, can be purchased alone or with the Delaney's Wave Camera Hub, includes Delaney Smart Home application, for complete access and control. Delaney Smart Home application and hub integrates with other Z-Wave devices such as doorbells with cameras, door and window sensors, outlet controls, heat and smoke sensors, thermostats, and water leak sensors. Now, you can control and monitor your home 24/7 from the ease of your phone with the Delaney Smart Home application. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.